Kim Kardashian is an American media personality, socialite, businesswoman, and actress. She first gained public attention as a friend and stylist of Paris Hilton, but achieved widespread fame after the release of a reality TV series, Keeping Up with the Kardashians, which chronicles the lives of her family members. The show, which aired from 2007 to 2021, became a significant cultural phenomenon. Kim has successfully leveraged her fame to build a diverse business empire. She has launched several successful ventures, including the cosmetics line KKW Beauty, the shapewear brand Skims, and various mobile apps and fragrances. Her business acumen has made her one of the most influential figures in fashion and beauty. Beyond her entrepreneurial endeavors, Kim has become an advocate for criminal justice reform. She has worked to bring attention to cases of individuals facing unjust prison sentences, and has been involved in lobbying for legislative changes. Kim is also pursuing a law degree, aiming to further her impact in the legal field. Kim Kardashian's influence extends beyond her professional achievements. She is a cultural icon known for her style, social media presence, and ability to constantly reinvent herself. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and drop a comment below.